is all you'll need to make some delicious ham and cheese bites. Get yourself some nice ham, some cheese of course. Gonna need an egg and some puff pastry. Buy it from a shop because life's too short to make your own puff pastry. First thing we're going to do, put a bit of flour onto your work surface, unroll your puff pastry and cut it in half. With your puff pastry split, it's time to go on with your ham and then your cheese slices. You can use them processed cheese square things if you like, but to me they're just like a piece of plastic, so I like to go on with real cheese. And what I find handy is if you get a potato peeler for your cheese, you just get really nice depth. Perfect for going on here. Once you've got your ham and cheese on, put a bit of grease-proof baking paper onto a baking tray, onto there, and then you're going to cover it with the other half of the puff pastry. Give it a pat down and then into a bowl with an egg and a dash of water, and then just get this coated. Then what I like to do to turn them into bites before we put them in the oven is get the old pizza cutter out and go down them. Then what I like to do again is give it another coating of your egg wash so it goes down in between, down the sides. Once you've done that, it's into the oven at 180 for around 20-30 minutes. All ovens differ. So once you've seen them puff up and they're nice and golden brown, as I say, 20 or 30 minutes depending on your oven, then take them out, let them cool down, and you're ready to go. Once they've gone a lovely golden brown in the oven, time to get them out. They're easier to break apart now you use your pizza cutter before you put them in there. So break them apart, get them in your favourite dips, or eat them just as they are.